Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to find the power produced and how much revenue the power generator generates. This question with the long wall of text is very similar to 2-65. The working is the same, just the numbers are different, and they added a little bit of extra bit to the end. So step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a turbine, we got wind speeds at 9 meters per second. The diameter tip to tip of the blade is 102 meters. Step 2, list all the given variables and unknown. They give us the wind speed, air density, the efficiency of the turbine, and unit price of power. So first they want us to find the power generated, and then they want us to find the power cost produced. So the revenue, that's what they really want. So step 3, find the power formula. So it's the efficiency of the turbine multiplied by the maximum power. So they give us the efficiency, we need to find the maximum power. So that is equal to the mechanical power, which is the mass flow rate multiplied by the specific mechanical energy. That's step 4. So both of these are unknown, so we need to find them. Step 5, find the mass flow rate formula. So m dot is equal to the density of air multiplied by the velocity multiplied by the area. We expand the area, it becomes density multiplied by velocity multiplied by pi multiplied by diameter squared divided by 4. So we're going to assume the blade span tip to tip is circular in nature, otherwise the wind turbine wouldn't be rotating. Step 6, we find the mass flow rate, so you plug in the values. All of these are given. So you get 91,926.93 kilograms per second. Step 7, find the specific mechanical energy formula. In this case, it will be the kinetic energy. So that's velocity squared divided by 2. Step 8, plug in the values. Make sure you multiply by the conversion factor. So you get 0.0405 kilojoules per kilogram. Step 9, find the maximum power. So you multiply the two together, your mass flow rate by your specific mechanical energy. The kilogram units cancel out, so you're left with kilojoules per second. It is a 1-to-1 ratio for kilowatts. 1 kilojoule per second is 1 kilowatt. So the maximum power is 3,723.04 kilowatts. Step 10, now we can find the power of the electricity generated. So that is the maximum power multiplied by the efficiency, so that'll give you 1,228.60 kilowatts. So that's part A. Now for part B, we take this power and we want to find the revenue. In order to do that, so revenue is the amount of electricity multiplied by the unit price. The unit price is given in the question, so we want to find the amount of electricity. So that is the wind power, which is the electricity generated, or the electrical power generated, multiplied by 24 hours. So step 12, we get 29,486.48 kilowatts per hour, or hours. That is a typo. Okay. So now that we've got the formula for revenue, step 14, we multiply that with the unit price. So 10 cents per kilowatt hour. So that gives us $2,948.65 per day that the power generation or wind turbines are generating. So note that a single wind turbine can generate several $1,000s worth of electricity per day, which is a reasonable cost, which explains the overwhelming popularity of wind turbines in recent years. Aside from being more environmentally, I guess, aware, I think renewable energy is good, although not as efficient as nuclear. There are drawbacks to both. Okay, so disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow the instructions as follows. If you're on a Mac, use a Mac equivalent of snipping tool. You can find snipping tool either in your taskbar by the icon, or if it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, and then open up the program. Click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.